today we talk about how can you get free points on your Tappytoon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down, you click here on more down here. So when you click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on free points, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here and here can you watch video here to get free points, or here can you complete overs. So then automatically it's going to get with you here this points on your topic channel. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.